Hi everyone, I'm Zhena. I am the Master Tea Blender and founder at clubmagichour.com. And this is Ashley Prophet, the Assistant Blender at Magic Hour and a mixologist. And she has made us some amazing cocktails. And any of these can be made without the alcohol as well. And what do you have for us today?
So we're gonna be making a strawberry matcha spritzer.
Okay, but she wants to call it Strawberry Matcha Forever.
Strawberry Matcha Forever, you know, to the Beatles, why not?
Yeah. Strawberry Fields Forever.
Right.
Strawberry Matcha Fields Forever. Have to work on that.
We have to work on that, yeah.
Okay, cool. So what do you need from me?
So I need you to make us some matcha.
Okay, great. And what's gonna be in this in general? So this is the matcha. Look how beautiful that is. Matcha is powdered green tea leaves from Japan. Ours is certified organic from Kagoshima, Japan. And I am going to be going over there soon. John's gonna go, and we're gonna go visit the Japanese tea fields where this is grown and check it out so that all of you guys can see it. Okay. And it comes in a large, and it also comes in the traveler, and you get about 1 serving per gram, and so the traveler jar will give you 30 servings, okay? And then you wanna use a 160 temperature on the matcha, and then you basically make very little water, and you use your Magic Hour matcha whisk, but any whisk will do. But ours has our logo on it. It's pretty rad. And the people who make them are really sweet, and it takes a lot of time. This is 1 piece of bamboo that they carve. Isn't that amazing?
Wow.
Look, it's a piece of bamboo. Look how much work that is.
Yeah.
And matcha is about mindfulness. Matcha helps speed your metabolism. It helps with mental acuity. And it's the highest in L-theanine. And instead of steeping leaves and then not eating them, right, you drink the tea, you're actually drinking the tea leaves. And so what happens is you get more energy and more nutrients from matcha because you're digesting the leaf. And the caffeine is a little bold in matcha, but it's also matched with a very high level of the amino acid L-theanine, and L-theanine helps to keep you calm. So matcha makes any mundane moment totally magic. It's really where it's at. Okay.
She's not lying.
Yeah, I'm not lying. She makes hers really strong. Yeah, I make mine pretty strong too.
Keeps me going.
Okay, so what do we have?
Okay, so first I'm going to use our strawberry syrup, and I made this by blending about 12 strawberries up very well, straining them into a pot with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water, and I let that boil for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then it makes this really nice, yummy syrup.
Wow, like a thick syrup.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a layered drink, and I'm gonna do about 1/2 in each, so it's gonna be about 1 ounce.
Okay. And you can do it with monk fruit as well if you want it to be lower calorie.
Yes, this one is actually coconut sugar.
Oh, it is? Mm-hmm. Oh, so it's keto.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is a keto cocktail. Except for the champagne.
Except for the champagne. But you can use sparkling water instead if you'd like.
And really the goal is to make these cocktail hours and these moments truly magical and intentional. And so having strawberries and matcha, and is this lemon juice?
This is lemon juice, fresh. Yeah, fresh lemon juice.
Yeah, I mean, it's like all the health benefits of all of this in itself is remarkable.
Yeah, totally.
It's like a cocktail smoothie.
It really is. Oh my gosh, it tasted like strawberry jam. You know, I was testing it along the way. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice in each. Okay. And then we're going to pour about 1.5 ounces of our steeped matcha in here. I'm going to try and do this gracefully, but there's no promises.
They're used to me, don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Wow.
Right.
I love how it's layered like that.
Yeah, isn't that fun?
That is so cool, and it holds.
Yeah, because it's so much thicker.
It's like a science experiment. Can you imagine if we could bottle this stuff?
Oh, we'll find a way. Right.
I don't want to get into the cocktail business. I'm not a moderate person. It would be bad.
All right, here's the moment of truth.
Yay!
And then we're just going to top it off with some champagne.
So you didn't sweeten the matcha? Oh, but the champagne and the strawberry syrup are so sweet.
Exactly.
How'd you come up with this?
I seriously just came to me when I was watching TV. I don't even remember what I was doing.
That's how the tea blends come to me, is when I'm doing something else.
I was not thinking about it and it just came to me.
Oh my God, I love it, Ash. It's so great. And you'll be able to find these recipes on clubmagichour.com. Ashley's writing them up for you. Wow. That is like beautiful. Okay, so we're not going to use the ice cubes, but we have these gorgeous edible flowers from a local female farmer, and it's Goodwitch Farms. And so I'm really into using these. And you can grow your own little pansies and any type of nasturtium. You can drop lavender on them, but it's really so lovely to take nature and to really celebrate it. So these are like mindful matcha cocktails. Champagne and matcha, my two favorite, and strawberries.
Yeah.
It's like all my
champagne and strawberries.
Oh my God, like all my favorite things. So we have Bambuas. We sell these on clubmagichour.com, and they are straws with a strainer in them. So when you steep your tea, you can have them. They're probably gonna be a little too fine for these, but I only have one straw.
That's okay.
Are you okay with using a Bambia?
Good.
Okay,
yes.
Cool.
I know what it tastes like.
Okay.
Cheers.
Yum.
A little tart, a little sweet.
That is so unusual and so good. I love matcha with strawberry.
It just like adds like an
my
earthiness
God.
to it. I don't know.
This is really good. Oh my God. This needs to be like the new brunch drink.
Yeah.
Like everywhere. Like forevermore.
Magic Hour brunch.
Yeah. Oh, the Magic Hour brunch. Oh my God. Oh my God, the strawberry is amazing. Okay, so that is, what are we calling it again?
Strawberry Matcha Forever.
Strawberry Matcha Forever. Okay. So, this isn't very... What time is it?
I drank half of mine.
Okay, so Magic Hour's mission is to create ceremonies around tea and to create ceremonies of connection and to connect the world through tea ceremonies. So you can add these incredibly healthy elements and incredibly beautiful elements from nature into any moment to elevate it. And tea is a sanctuary, and tea and champagne and strawberries is like sanctuary with like a credit card. It's like,
Yeah.
like a credit card you never have to pay off with no limit. Anyway, all the things we would love. So anyway, but thank you so much for this great concept, and what an unusual and beautiful and compelling drink.
Yeah, thank you for letting me be so creative.
Oh my God, are you kidding? I mean, if it's not fun, why do it, right? I mean, when I started the company, I was like, okay, if it's fun and easeful and joyful, I'm doing it. So anyway, so that's what this is.
Cheers to that.
Yeah, absolutely. So cheers to your health. Here's to having a healthy and happy summer season. Here's to gathering with your friends safely and having and turning every happy hour into a magic hour. Okay? To your health at clubmagichour.com.